time of exploring spirituality, belief systems, faiths, teaching it, learning it, teaching it, and always being a student too, it should be no surprise to anyone that because we are nature, because we are animals, there is a deep connection between us and other species. It's something that tends to be overlooked in certain belief systems, but we can't get away from the fact that we are just another species as humans, and our lives are intertwined. And the fascination, because we need nature more than ever now when we see what's happening, but the fascination of cultures that understood that we have to live in harmony and how to do that, and their spiritual practices have fascinated me for many years and have been a big part of my studies and my practices and my own development. And so really it's no surprise that shamanism and spirit animals are a big feature in something that I explore. Having a background in psychology as well, it's fascinating to me, the concept of archetypes. You know, if we look back over time and if we look back at different cultures and we see the dances mimicking the animal movements of tribal ceremonies, if we look at some of the ancient belief systems and their deities, their gods were animals, you know, the cats that were revered in Egypt, the sacred cow in Hinduism, and the animal gods themselves. There's a recognition of the spirituality and the qualities, and a great respect and reverence, and that's what I really, really love. So in this particular course, I am introducing, for the beginner, shamanism and working with spirit animals. And we're going to take a very step-by-step approach. You see, you can go out there and you can download from one of the many music sites, Spirit Animal, A Power Animal Journey. You can listen to shamanic drumming. You can read about shamanism. But where do you actually start? Where does it actually all start and make sense? So in this introductory course for beginners, and for those of you who aren't beginners, it might be a great refresher or another approach to look at, but I have taken this course from the very basis of very little or no knowledge. And I've broken it down, and so the theory aspect of very short little videos, one aspect at a time. What is a shaman? What is shamanism? What is a spirit animal? How do the two connect? What is that connection between shamanism and spirit animals? And then, after we have gone through those short videos and got a good basic understanding, I'm going to guide you through 6 spirit animal journeys. And in those spirit animal journeys, we will introduce the qualities of those animals, and they will be lovely guided meditations. And so there are 6 of those. And then there is a further one, which is to meet your totem animal. Now, if you're not quite sure what a totem animal is, then of course, take the course and you will know for sure very quickly. But also, what I really want to do with this is make sure that you have a grounding, but you have the confidence then that if you wish to explore further, you have the necessary tools to do it. You have the understanding, a basis to start with and to grow. So, this is a new course. I am very proud to be able to have created and produced this course. And also, at the end of the course, I introduce you to two great teachers, one on shamanism and one on power animals and spirit animals. And you can link to them in their social media pages and groups and websites. You're not going to be left with just a basic understanding. You're going to have the tools to empower yourself to go deeper and explore this further if this is something you really, really resonate with. But you're also going to have access to discover more from other teachers as well, and where to go and find information about them. So it's a great honour for me to do this. So it is.